Alright guys, welcome back to day 24 lab. Today lab is floating static routes. Um, as you could see here, there's two networks and a ISP-A network. Um, we will go to configure the floating static route in case of the primary route is down. Um, but first, let's check the routing table to see what type of dynamic routing protocol being used here for enterprise A. So enable show IP route. So you could see here it's using O. O stand for OSPF. The destination is 10.0.2.0/24. Here the destination, right? Destination network. Um, via 10.0.0.2. Okay, using subnet mask of /30, 10.0.0.2, which is this, and using gigabyte 0/2/0 fast gigabyte internet ethernet. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for um, this. Show IP route. Same thing for R2 to reach R1. The configuration here is the destination of network IP of 10.0.1.0/24 via 10.0.0.1, right? Same thing using the same Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet cable. Okay. Which route will be used if PC1 try to reach server 1? Let's see if we could ping. Which route will we use if PC1 try to access? I mean, which route will be used if PC1 try to access server 1? I mean, we could go from here to here up, right? Or from here to here to here to here, or from here to here, here, back. Um, so one. Which route? Which route will be used to PC1 to reach access the remote network? I mean, from here to here to here, we could do that. So test by pinging server 1 by using this. Test by pinging server 1 and 1111. So this is, let me check. Which one am I using here? Just check all of them. This is this one. Okay. Uh, 2.1. Okay, I think 111 is okay. It's an access remote server, so it's not in here. Okay, that's why I can't find it. Okay. Um. Okay, which route will be used if PC1 tries to access server 1? I will do that. Let me see try to ping this real quick. Ping 10.0.2.1, right? 10.0.2.1. You could press this to speed it up. Okay, we just speed that up by 30 seconds by pressing this. Gonna do the same but using simulation mode here. Let's see. Okay, it send the op request from here to here and then up. So using this route, up, and then it reach the destination IP, and then I'll reply back. Cool. So using STP. Okay. And then, yeah, you could see back and forth. Okay. Real time again. See if we could ping 1.1.1.1. Okay, reply, go back down here, do the same thing. I just want to see what happened. Okay, it going through this ISP. So we will be using this route to reach remote access, as we predicted, right? Cool. Nice. Okay. Okay, so now what I could do is could use Control C to stop, and we could use traceroute or traceroute by pinging 10.2.0.2.1. Okay. There you go. Okay, so I don't know what is that all about, but so I'm using the traceroute to show the hops from each interface, right? You could see here there's 10. It try to reach 10.0.2.1. Well, I need to use 10.0.1 slash 254. Right, and then from here go up, right? It needs to go from here to here, and then to 1. Yeah, so 10.0.0.2, and then from here it reached 10.0.2.1. Um, I think in the real world you want to use this to be able to see, because obviously you can't be seeing simulation like right now. Um, so I think traceroute is actually really good in this case. So I'm gonna be using traceroute more often than the simulation mode. All right, we're gonna do the same thing for PC2. I mean router 2. Oh, we did that already. My bad. Check. Okay. So now we need to, as you already know, we um, to reach server 1, the route is using this this way, this router here. But we're gonna try to disable this um, gigabyte connection. Then we're going to use another network here to reach to server 1. So, okay, enable configuration terminal, and then assign that IP route. So what is the destination that we try to reach is this network right here, anything on this network. So let's do this network for now. Okay, /30, sorry, /24, that would be just 255.255.255.0. That's default /24. And then we go in to tell the IP address. Let me see, I'm trying to find it here. I think this is the one. 13.203, so 203 dot 0.113 dot, okay, never mind, right here, 3.1. So we're gonna go from here to here, right, dot 1, and then we're gonna give the AD number. I mean, default is 110, so we're gonna give AD of 111. You could do like 112, 113, whatever. Um, I think for most people, they recommend it to use 1111. Sorry, 111, and it just make things easier, right? So let's just hit enter. Now that assigned, and we could check. So you could remember the show IP interface brief. Do show. Okay. All right. Let's do show IP route. Okay. Interesting. I was looking to see if this the AD number has changed. Interesting. Excuse me. Oh, you know why? Because this connection's still up, so the other one wouldn't kick in until this one is down. You know. So okay, let's just do this one. Oops. Let's do this. Same thing for R2. Configuration T. So from here, we're gonna use this route in for this network. So IP route. The destination is 10 dot oops 10.0.1 dot 0 255.255.255.0 because it's slash 24, and then we're gonna use this right here. Okay. Uh, 203.3.113.5, right? This is 4, so this is 5, and then AD number 111. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm trying to ping again. Try to ping, yep, try to ping this one again. Reply. All right. Exit. Ping. Done. Dot one. Dot one. Dot one. Success. 5 out of 5. Okay, got return. All right. So now I'm gonna do. Um, I wonder if we could do tracer. 10.0.1.1. So I'm trying to ping router 2, try to ping PC1 using using this command. Okay, look like it won't let me do that here. Okay, I could use ping though. So okay, um, maybe because I haven't. Let's try this. Tracert 10.0.1.1. Okay, yeah, it's not working. Okay, so we're going to disable this interface here. I'm going to do interface G0 /2/0. Then I'm going to shut down. So shut down. Okay, so here's shutdown. I mean, this router cannot reach this, right? So we're gonna see that it's gonna route this way and then go from here, here, and up. Okay, to do that, let's see. I could do two things, either simulation mode or the tracer route. Okay, let's do it. Ping, fast forward. Again, I got reply. So that means it's working. If I do this way, you could see um, it travel from this PC to this router using this interface 254, and then it goes straight to 203.0.11.1, and then it go up 192, 68.2, .1.2, and then from there it continue going to 203.0.113 .6, which is this one. Remember, this is for this one here, and then it reached the server one. So it works. We could also look at the simulation here. We're gonna do it again. I'm going to use ping. See, travel through up, up, right, and then back. So that would be all for this lab, and I hope you'll find this helpful. And until next time, peace out.